Good morning, traders. It's Paul from StrobotUltimate here. I'm just going to talk about the Market Scanner app, and that's free. You can get it on the Team for Market or from StrobotUltimate.com. That's got a link through, and why I built it and what it does in comparison to StrobotUltimate, the whole thing. So let's just have a look. So basically, what it does is there's an engine inside StrobotUltimate, which is the trading robot that's powered by these charts, and it does lots of things like works out stops, take profits, risk reward, can I take the trade now, there's lots and lots of things that it does. And I just wanted to take the engine out of it so I can at a glance see what the robot was looking at. So here's all the currency pairs, and you can see there's a bunch of arrows, and each arrow starting on the left, 5 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 day, 1 week, and it shows us what the trend is. Okay, and I'm looking at GBP Aussie right now, and the reason is because actually if you look at it, everything's bearish except the weekly. Now that you might think, well, why do you bother looking at the weekly? And let me show you why. So we'll switch to the weekly chart. Okay, look at that, it's in an uptrend. Okay, the weekly is actually in a bit of an uptrend, and you can see it's at the bottom there, so we don't want to take a trade on it at the moment. Okay, had we been this uptrend is quite new, you can see it turning around, it's changing direction into a buy, so this stops us getting into a buy when we should really be in a buy. So basically the way it works, if you were to just use this for trading, which you could if you wanted to, I wouldn't recommend it because it doesn't do things like risk reward or stops and take profits, etc, etc, etc. So if I was looking to take, let's find something that's got, I'm looking for basically anything where all the arrows are going down or all the arrows are going up. I don't want things that are a mixture, because it means that it's kind of deciding on fighting, everything like that. So euro dollar is very interesting in this case. You can see that if I pull it up on this one I prepared earlier on the Strobot view trading chart, you can see that we had a lovely trade on. I'll show you the trade we had earlier in the week. We took an entry here, closed it sort of here. It rallied up here, and it's pulled back to here. Everyone knows it's a pullback, I think, but there's some EU news about lunchtime, so it's not going to move much till then. So on the 4-hour chart, so Euro USD, if we look at it from here, you can see that everything's in a buy except 5 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour. The 4 hour is still bearish. So if we have a look at it on here, yes, the 4 hour is still in a bearish. It hasn't turned up yet. Okay, so it keeps us out of entering things we shouldn't. So euro dollar, it's too early to enter at the moment. Okay, there's a nice pin bar there, like there is there, but we need it to break in that direction. When it does, we'll be looking for 5 minute entries like this one. Not at the moment, obviously, because it's too early, but 5 minute entries like that one. We have a little tiny stop sitting back here. I mean, this is like 10 pips is there. We normally have 2 trades on, one with a 23 pip stop, one with a 10 pip stop. But using the market scanner you can get for free. Strobot, the trading system's a bit more money, but that basically explains how it kind of works. So there is a robot attached to the Strobot Ultimate trading system, and the robot allows you to just let it go on with the trades, and it basically does what I've just done. So it kind of looks through the currency. We look through the currency pairs. We go for anything where everything is pointing in the same direction, and then we look for an entry on the 5 minute chart. Simples. Okay, so StrobotUltimate.com is the website. I hope you enjoy it. Have a great day's trading.